Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Uma.
Do you ever feel that your English practice needs more time, more calm, more gentle repetition to really sink in? You want to improve listening, pick up natural phrases, build vocabulary, and train your pronunciation, but you also want to relax, unwind, maybe even fall asleep, feeling peaceful and safe. This episode is made exactly for that. This is a long, slow, soothing 1-hour English listening practice, perfect for bedtime, quiet evenings, long commutes, or anytime you want to bathe your ears in soft, clear English without pressure. The story is simple, beautiful, and emotional, but told very slowly with long pauses, gentle repetition, and a calm voice. You don't have to understand every word. Just let the language flow over you like warm water. Let your breathing slow. Let your body relax. Let the words become a soft blanket around your mind. Close your eyes if you want, or keep them softly open, looking at nothing. Let my voice be like a quiet friend sitting beside you. We will listen to one long story tonight, The Girl Who Found Her Light. It lasts about 60 minutes when spoken slowly with many pauses for breathing and dreaming. Breathe in, hold for 3, breathe out slowly. Good. Let's begin. Please imagine this next part spoken very slowly, softly, with long pauses between sentences, 5 to 10 seconds each, and gentle background sounds of night wind, distant crickets, and soft rain on leaves. The Girl Who Found Her Light, a 1-hour sleep story for English listening. There once was a girl. Her name was Leela. Leela lived in a small house on the edge of a very quiet village. The village was surrounded by tall green hills and a big, deep forest. Every night, Leela looked out her window and saw the forest. The trees were dark, but sometimes, when the moon was bright, the leaves looked silver. Leela loved the forest, but she was also a little afraid. She heard stories from the old people in the village. They said, "There is a light deep inside the forest, a warm, golden light, but only someone very brave can find it." Leela wanted to see the light. She wanted to feel it. But every time she thought about going, her heart beat fast and her hands felt cold. One night, the moon was very big, very round, very bright. Leela could not sleep. She sat by the window and stared at the forest. She whispered to herself, "I want to be brave. I want to find the light." Then something strange happened. A small wind came through her open window. It smelled like flowers and rain and something sweet. The wind touched her cheek like a soft hand. Leela closed her eyes. She felt calm. She felt safe. She stood up. She put on her warm coat. She took a small lantern and opened the door. Outside, the night was cool but not cold. The stars were shining. The moon made a silver path on the grass. Leela walked toward the forest, step by step, slowly, carefully. The trees were tall, very tall. Their branches moved gently like they were saying hello. Leela felt a little scared, but she also felt excited. She whispered, "I can do this." She walked deeper. The path became smaller. The moonlight became softer. After some time, she saw something, a tiny light, not bright, just a small golden glow between the trees. Leela's heart jumped. She walked faster. The light grew bigger, warmer, brighter. Now she could see it was a clearing. In the middle of the clearing stood a tree. Not a normal tree. This tree was shining. Its leaves were gold, its trunk was silver, and in the center, a warm light pulsed, like a heartbeat. Leela stopped. She felt tears in her eyes. Not sad tears, happy tears, grateful tears. She walked closer. The tree did not move, but it felt alive. It felt kind. Leela touched the trunk. It was warm, like a mother's hand. Then she heard a voice, not loud, soft, like wind through leaves. "Welcome, Leela," the voice said. "I have been waiting for you." Leela looked around. No one was there. The voice came from the tree. "You were brave," the tree said. "You walked through fear. You trusted your heart. That is why you found me." Leela smiled. Tears fell on her cheeks. "I was scared," she said, "but I wanted to see you." The tree's light became brighter. "You already have light inside you," it said. "You always did. You just needed to walk toward it." Leela closed her eyes. She felt warm from the inside, like sunshine in her chest. The tree spoke again. "Take this gift." A small golden leaf fell slowly into Leela's hand. It was soft. It was warm. It glowed a little. "Keep it close," the tree said. "When you feel afraid, when you feel small, hold this leaf. Remember, your light is always there. You are never alone." Leela held the leaf to her heart. "Thank you," she whispered. The tree's light became soft again, like a goodnight kiss. "Go home now," it said. "Sleep well, dream of beautiful things, and tomorrow, shine." Leela turned. She walked back through the forest. The path was easy now. The trees seemed to wave goodbye. The moon smiled down. When she reached her house, she opened the door. She went to her bed. She put the golden leaf under her pillow. She closed her eyes. She smiled, and she slept, the deepest, sweetest, most peaceful sleep of her whole life. The next morning, Leela woke up. She felt different, stronger, lighter, braver. She looked out the window. The forest was still there, quiet, waiting. Leela touched the leaf under her pillow. She whispered, "Thank you. I will shine today." And she did. The end. Pause. Long, soft silence, gentle breathing sounds, wind in leaves, distant birds waking up, fade out slowly over 2 minutes. That was your long, peaceful English listening story for tonight. You don't need to remember every word. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to let the gentle voice, the soft pictures, the warm feelings carry you to sleep. If you are still awake, take one more slow breath. Feel your body heavy on the bed. Feel your mind soft and quiet. Whisper to yourself, "Good night. I am safe. I am enough. Tomorrow is new." Sleep deeply, my friend. Dream of forests, golden leaves, and your own brave heart. I'll be here tomorrow with another quiet story when you need it. Sweet dreams. Good night.